Hey guys, another video for today, another good brand from Sansui. Today guys, we're going to review the Sansui three-way speakers system, a classic S-990 three-way speakers, vintage. It's an old speakers guys, and I just bought it, and come take a look. There it is guys. As you can see, these are the three-way Sansui speakers. Let's turn the lights on. Up above, the tweeters and the Sansui right there. Classic S-990. So guys, I just bought this today and I want to make a review about this vintage Sansui guys. This Sansui guys, it's hard to find and it's a good speakers. It's a big speakers guys, as you can see, and the quality sound of Sansui guys, it's good, and I would say it's very good because it's known. Vintage Sansui stereos, speakers, receivers, amplifiers, turntables. It's known that it's a very good brand. They are made in Japan and they are known. So guys, making a video here. Right here on the left, so you can see the damage has been done, and I tried to fix that problem and it just doesn't go back where, the original looks. So somebody must have pushed this in, even the right side here. So guys, I am not gonna waste my time trying to fix that, because it's not easy to fix that guys, unless I can poke in the middle of there, put a small hole, and then kind of like maybe a paper clip inside and push it out, pull it out, and maybe that would probably maybe it would help. But as of now guys, we're just gonna do review here. And up there is the tweeter, the mid, and this one is the speakers, big speakers guys. So up here guys, I'll show you guys the problem here, the damage. It's been scratched, a lot of scratches, as you can see. So what I'm going to do with that guys, I'm going to varnish that and make it look better again than before. So let's go over here guys. I want you guys to see the back of the speaker. Okay, you see. So I will varnish that, and let's go back here. It says Sansui Classic S-990. So all the info, the details there. All right. So I'm just gonna do shortcuts here. I'm not gonna read it piece by piece. So later on, we're gonna listen to the sound of this speaker, and I know this speaker, guys. I know this speaker is just gonna be, it's gonna sound good. So the price that I pay for this, guys, is very low, and it's branded. As you can see, it's Sansui, and I collect old stereos, like any kind of stereos, guys, from turntables, amplifiers, receivers, equalizers, speakers. So I collect old stereos, guys. Yeah. So you guys can check my other videos, and you can see a lot of videos that I made there. And you can click likes and click subscribers, and you can leave a comment if you like. And that's about it. So guys, we're gonna stop this video and we're gonna start working, and we'll see you in a few minutes.